Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your language between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure vehicle's on, which this is, and then from your interface here, we can go to Settings, and then General, and then here's English. We can switch to Spanish or French. So let's say we want Spanish. It'll go through this load screen for just a moment while it populates Spanish. And then I speak English, so in a moment I'll just show how to adjust this back to English.
Idioma configurado en español.
Alright, so back from this main screen, just adjust this, and then General, and then here in the idioma, go back to English. And that's it. Again, just a few moments for it to save for English. But beyond that, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.